XYZ stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. Especially looking at XYZ. And this is a very solid bullish market. And last thing that I would be doing is randomly buying. Like if you watched any of these previous videos that I made on this, is I wanted to take the highs out with a double break confirmation. It tickled the top, even made new higher highs. And then from this point onwards, it's just that it's back into my demand zone. Going into the next week, only if the confirmation is met, I'm going to look to double down on this and buy more. You know what I mean? Like, if it doesn't happen, and then so be it, you know, man. Like, I'm not going to try and force no random trades. And with XYZ, I also got about 3 results here as well. So let me know what is your opinion on XYZ. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. I mean, there's really nothing else that I'll be trying to add here. Goodbye.